Good morning, Peter here on Doxie of the series Peter and Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland, and here we are still in Rosslyn Bay, Kemp Bay, which is halfway up the Queensland coast, I guess you could say. So north of Gladstone, south of Mackay. Yeah, day 158, and I've been here probably about 2.5, 3 weeks now, I'm not sure. If you have been following along, you'll know that basically my existing engine, the Volvo Penta 2003, pretty well gave up the ghost. So I've made the decision to go ahead and buy a brand new Volvo. It hurts, but I'm looking forward to it at the same time. So yeah, just in the throes of ordering and getting all that organized. My heart's still racing. I just made the payment on the engine today. Obviously there'll be more because it's labor costs and all the other stuff still to come, but yeah. Yeah, anyway, somebody said to me, yeah, long after the pain of purchase, the luxury lingers on. I'm looking forward to that part. Believe me. Yeah, I want to be able to sell water skiing tickets. So yeah, anyway, all joking aside, yeah, so at least the ball's rolling, so I have that sort of feeling like, okay, things are starting. I'm not quite sure. I think it might be a couple of weeks before the engine arrives, so I'm going to be here for some time yet, that's for sure. But yeah, I'll just do little jobs around the boat, do what exploring I can. Just discovered actually that the 440 bus that leaves Rosslyn Bay here does actually go all the way to Rockhampton via Yeppoon, so that is an option to maybe go and do some more in-depth supply shopping at supermarkets of choice. And so yeah, that'll be a project for one day. It'll take a whole day, no doubt, but that's all right, I have time. So going to continue with the duckboards today. There they are, all lined up, ready for attention. It will be varnish coat number 3 today, around the edges. It'll be a whole different thing when we start the oiling of the lattice work. I'm really looking forward to seeing how that comes up, because I don't know, yeah, I think most people probably feel the same, but it's just something magical about wood grain and stuff. So looking forward to seeing how that comes up. So that'll be my first project today, as soon as I have cleaned up breakfast and the heat doesn't kick right in. It's sort of a balancing act. There was 92% humidity this morning when I got up. There's still very little breeze, but it's dropped now down to the 80s. Last time I looked, maybe it's lower again. So yeah, trying to get that balancing act between too hot, too humid, too something or other. Anyway, I am going to get on with that now, and we'll see what else the day brings today. Okay, that's the third coat on now. It's touch dry, so I'm going to turn that back to the sun basically, so the sun's not shining on it too much. Top off the water. It's amazing how much you go through, even in a marina. Mind you, I guess I'm not being overly careful, but yeah, I'm doing things like dishes and stuff with fresh water. So anyway, that's all full again for now. Okay, well, milestone day 2 is I've just paid for the engine, just the engine, not the input or anything yet. Whew, I think I need to go for a walk. Yeah, anyway, that's good. Progress obviously being made, but yeah, still a bit of a mind something. Yeah, so it's turned into quite a sultry, humid day. And when I talk to you about the algae, this is how it gathers around here in the marina. Yeah, it smells like phosphate or something almost, I think. Yeah, this is what I should be doing on a hot day like this. Very relaxing. Well, here we are at the end of Monday. So, yeah, I've departed with some money, as I've mentioned a couple of times now. Little wonder. Yeah, went for the swim, which was great, and yeah, ran into Josh and Kelly from Cat Coast Marine on the way back, and yeah, we were just chatting about various things. So, just getting things straight in my head about how things are going to work, and work soon. They hope they will. So yeah, anyway, it feels like things are clicking, so that's good. Looking forward to getting that happening. Meanwhile, I'll find things to do around the boat, and yeah, maybe find other ways to go exploring different places. Anyway, thanks for following along. I know it's a little bit quiet and a little bit not much going on at the moment, although there is, for me at least. So anyway, appreciate you following along, appreciate the comments, and yeah, as always, if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. This is Dawn Raider, out.